Blizzard. Are you just the sweetest thing? Yeah. Are you just the sweetest? Are you so smart? Yeah. Are you so smart? Yes, you are. Yeah. You just love people, don't you? Yeah. Her color is so pretty. That's Bella. And Blizzard! Are you just the sweetest? Off? Good. Oh, so smart. Yes. You're a genius. Yes, you are. You're so smart. Yeah. Are you so beautiful? You're so beautiful. Off? Good. You're just learning, aren't you? Yes. Just learning. You're so beautiful. Yeah. And sweet as can be. Yes. Sweet as can be. She has a little bit of blue in that eye. She has all blue in that eye. You won't hold still enough to show the little bit of blue. No. No. It's because you're too cuddly. You're too cuddly. No. Oh, smart. Oh, smart. You didn't do it all on your own. Yay. Yes. Oh. I was just blessed to be able to buy her. Good. Such good manners. Just a few weeks ago. And she loved jumping up on people, so she's learning. You're learning, aren't you? Good. So smart. That's Benjamin, my Basenji stud. Has to check out the new girl. I love her curly tail. Good girl. Yeah. She loves to just come sit next to me. She's so lovable. Yeah. So lovable. Yes, you are. Good girl. Good girl. Not jumping.